Rolling, paving, surfacing. These are jobs that are normally not associated with meteorology. So why have our friends at Carhartt asked me to do this hot job on this very, very hot day? I have no idea. But considering it's a job I've never done before, I can't imagine anything possibly going wrong. Boss, what's the job today?
We gotta hop on this skid steer and pick up these piles.
My level of confidence, I would say not high.
So you just wanna lower that blade down. So now you just raise up the arms really high. Oh, don't go too high. You'll dump it back on yourself.
It's a miracle I could dress myself. What is the hottest day that you remember ever being out here?
I think it was 104 or 5 one day.
Are you hydrating quite a bit? Are you breaking?
I bring about 18 waters a day.
I believe it. Give me a grade. How are we doing?
Probably a 2 out of 10.
2 out of 10. It was a well-earned 2.
Hey, Marco. We're gonna let him hop up there.
I am so sorry, guys.
And then you're going to drive forward. And you gotta make sure you don't hit the curbs.
Oh, no problem with that. Okay, now going forward.
Yep, just very slowly.
That would not be the way to go. All right. I have no idea what I'm doing here.
All right, now you're going backwards.
Okay. All right, whoa. Oh, the checklist of do's and do nots.
That do not column has a check by every single box.
On days like today, the easy becomes incredibly complex. What's this?
The shovel?
Because you got heat coming from the surface and a lot of it coming in from upstairs. And here. Whoa. All right, let's try that again. Here we go. Looks like I'm making a situation that was good, I'm making it bad.
It's gone downhill since I left you over here with the rake.
Teddy, you make this look a lot easier than it is. Yeah, you gotta have your head on a swivel for this.
Exactly, right. He really is, he's doing good, yeah.
How do you prepare for a day when it's 400 degrees here and then you've got that hot sun?
When I first started, this guy told me that long sleeve shirts keep you cooler, and I was like, that can't be true.
Yeah.
Because it's hot, but actually it doesn't.
All right, he's about to hop on the screw. So this is your screw. It controls the depth you are paving at. I'd come up a quarter turn.
Let's see, is that going up?
That's down.
That's down. I have absolutely
more.
no idea.
A little bit more.
Oh wait, which way am I going?
Yeah, that way. Keep
okay,
going.
this way. All right.
All right, that's good right there.
Holy smokes. All right, boss, level with me. How'd I do today?
I won't do the weather. You don't come back on my job sites.
Fair enough. Hey, many thanks to you and McKenna Young. Thank you.
No problem.
Wonderful
Thanks
day.
for coming out.
You bet. Yes, sir.